Hey guys, welcome back to another 100k pack opening. Started off with Mauricio. Hospital. What? You're gonna see what Messi is this now. It's gonna be a boy doing some good. Oscar, is it the Brazilian one? Yeah, it is. There you have it. Let's just burn through these guys. Cedar. Wasn't he? He was in form last week, wasn't he? I can piss off. Benzema. Alonso. Why do you give me this crappy one? It's good for MLS, but he's crap for my team. Give me some good here. Give me Bale. Pass over there, big Ronaldo. No, that's not him. That's like right face. That guy right there. Wolfsburg. Then Leo. Oh, of course it's this one. I'm gonna keep that Jesus Neves, I think. If I'm gonna give him away, I'll put it in the description. Gibbs. Romero. He is one crappy goalie. Worst goal I've ever tried in the game. Mauricio. Elmer. Oh, he doesn't look too bad. Actually, he does. His stats and stuff are you have to keep him. Nice, nice. Queens Park Rangers. Nice relegation. Yeah, you would like to give me someone, please. I'll be greatly appreciated. What's up with me getting all these stupid Everton players? $52K left. Come on, give me something. Helms. Who's there? Soldado, give me something. Oh, I always use him in freaking my La Liga teams. He looks really old in FIFA 14. Ah. Alright, we're almost out of coins. I think I'm gonna sell those 2 informs to open up more packs in the next video or something like that. I've seen this and that stupid Brazilian right back I hate. Or is he this fast? No, yeah, he's a fast one. Can you guys please put me on different channels so I can get recognized? So I can get sponsored by like coin sites so I can get more coins to open up packs for you guys and do more giveaways. That'd be greatly appreciated. I didn't even see his name. Oh, look at this. Is he tall? Nah, not too bad actually. Country though. Northern Ireland. We're almost out of coins. Frickin' heck, yay, come on. Post another video, give us something good. Benzema. I thought he was gonna get transferred. If anyone wants him, let me know. These be 4 and 2 and 2. Stop giving me these! Sigerson. I actually liked playing with him a lot. Not in a gay way. Like I'm ultimate team. Messi, the Messiah, give me something. Sahin. The first time I got a lot of players in the back. Page before and 2 and 2 after all at once. Yes, finally! 150, hopefully it sells for a lot, probably won't. Probably sell like 4K. One. That's not good. One more pack after this. Boys, we need to get hyper on, eh? I guess and we get the Michaels. You can piss right off because I think you were in inform last week too. Oh no, it's a different one. Oh no, it was him. That's it for the pack opening. Please like, subscribe, and peace, and thanks for watching.